Hey everyone, welcome to Delicious Cooking. I will be making Indian dish today, chicken tikka masala. I have chicken breast. I'm going to be cutting the chicken breast into bite sizes, season it, and then we're going to sear fry it. So let's start cutting the chicken. I'm going to first remove some excess fat and additional muscle off of it. Okay, so we're going to start marinating the chicken. So for our chicken we need about 1.5 cups of yogurt, plain yogurt. We need 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. One tablespoon of garlic paste. 2.5 teaspoon of garam masala. One and a half teaspoon of turmeric. One and a half teaspoon of cumin. 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili. And about 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and mix this up. Okay, our seasoning is ready, chicken's marinated. We're gonna set this aside for about 30 minutes and then we're gonna fry it. And we're gonna dice some onions for our sauce. Okay guys, we're gonna start sear frying our tikka masala chicken. Add some oil. And fry each side approximately 3 minutes. And then we're gonna set it aside. Okay, so we're gonna be making the sauce for our chicken tikka masala. We're gonna start off with veggie oil. And we're gonna add 2.5 tablespoons of butter. Go ahead and add the onions. And we're going to cook the onions for approximately 5 to 10 minutes until it's golden brown. And then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. And 1.5 tablespoons of ginger paste. Add 2 teaspoons of garam masala. 2 teaspoons of cumin. Add 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric. And 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder. We're going to go ahead and add 2.5 cups of tomato paste. And 1.5 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili. Teaspoon of salt. So we're going to add 1.5 cup of cooking cream. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. And let this simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes till the sauce becomes a little bit thicker. And also add some fresh cilantro. Yeah, our chicken tikka masala is ready. We're gonna let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes more, and then we're gonna serve this with rice.
Yeah, I'm feeling myself. Are you feeling yourself? Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Alright, okay guys, so our chicken tikka masala is ready. I'm gonna give it a try. Looks very good. Texture looks beautiful. Wow, it's amazing, beautiful. Tastes so good. If you guys like Indian food, give it a try. You won't be disappointed. Tastes really good. And it's very easy to make. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification buttons, and don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Cheers guys, thank you.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?